Welcome to the intro training exercises for Sharperlight's Excel add-in on Business Central. This is exercise 5. Please follow the video carefully and if needed, use the PDF listed within the description for further information. Exercise 5 covers Sharperlight Excel add-ins suppress zero rows formula and delayed query formulas. This exercise continues on the same workbook from the previous exercise. Open the sheet for X5A. This exercise revisits the use of value formulas for financial reporting. Structured reporting with fixed rows and account ranges are popular due to simplicity. The disadvantage to a fixed structure is that some of the account rows will have zero balances in all amount columns, which the author would want to hide. To address this, Sharperlight has a suppress rows formula that can hide zero rows by changing the height of effect rows. Select and press F2 on cell D7. We can see a typical value formula and its cell references. We also have a suppress zero rows formula in cell L5. Select cell L5 and press F2 to inspect. We can see that suppress zero row formulas have 5 parameters: the range of the cell to be evaluated for zero or empty cells, the default height, Boolean true/false to disable the formula action, and the header and footer ranges, which are hidden if the evaluated range has no values. To create a MD suppress zero rows formula, you can either type it out or use the Excel formula bar function wizard. You can also insert via the Sharperlight ribbon through Functions, Action, MD Suppress Rows. Then you can enter your function arguments and click OK to insert the function into a cell. We want to apply a suppress zero rows formula on the cost of sales for current month. So we can either type out the MD suppress rows formula or copy paste it from the cell L5 to L14. When you copy paste, the relative cell references will automatically adjust, but the selection range may not perfectly match, so we can either drag the cell ranges or change them in the formula. Another option is to double-click on the formula cell, opening the window for the suppress zero rows function, where we can again change the parameters. Our value formula D7 has predefined drills on it. Double-click on the cell to open the query, and then open the drill through window. You should see it has 3 drills defined. Return to the Excel worksheet. There are multiple ways you can use the drills available. You can right-click on a cell, and under Sharperlight Excel, go Drill Down, which will give a drop-down of all available drills. The choices with To Sheet will open the drill in a new generated sheet. You can also drill by selecting the cell with a formula and clicking on the Drill Down button in the Sharperlight Excel add-in. Go to the sheet X5B. Here we want to change all the value formulas to be delayed formulas. Now you could manually add DL to each formula, but once you have multiple, that can be time consuming. Instead, you can select a range and in the Sharperlight Excel add-in, under Other, click Convert to Delayed Formula. All your formulas should change to be delayed formulas, and our suppress zero rows formula may hide the rows, as they now do not recalculate as they will not unless you purposely refresh the worksheet area. Click Refresh Worksheet, and you should see the cells recalculate and return values again. This concludes the training for exercise 5 for Sharperlight Excel add-in on Business Central. For more information and in-depth explanations, please refer back to the training PDF.